This video tutorial will demonstrate the assembly of a 36-bottle tabletop wine rack. Follow the same assembly procedure for all tabletop models. Before we begin, check the package contents list on page 1 of your assembly guide to verify that you have the correct number of parts. To start, arrange the left and right end ladders so that the angled bottle supports face the ground. The end with the larger gap is the top of your rack. Attach a standard connector to the top and bottom of your rack using the screws provided. This will be the back of the rack. Next, insert the middle ladders and finish securing the top and bottom connectors. Be sure that the angled bottle supports are facing downwards. If you purchased a 48-bottle tabletop rack, your unit will come with one extra standard connector. Attach this connector to the back of your rack. The top of the connector should be 25 and 11/16 inches from the bottom of the rack. Now, flip the rack over. Attach the remaining standard connectors to the top and bottom of the rack using the provided wood screws. Then, stand your rack up. Cover the screw holes on the front connectors using the provided adhesive screw caps. Next, add a dab of wood glue to the top of each riser. Secure the top into place and clamp or hold until the glue is dry. This tabletop is now complete. Place in your kitchen or living room for your guests to enjoy. If you have any questions or concerns, please call or email us using the information shown on your screen.